Hey guys, what's up? With some easy steps I will show you how to make a negative mold out of this knife's handle. Then you can easily cast out of it. So first of all, we need to draw a square, and then let's hide this part, and you can easily extrude into the body and choose a new body, two sides, and hit OK. And then use combine tool, and then you can easily use combine tool and cut through the box. Okay. Alright, and then you can easily mirror this part like so. And choose mirror plane. I'm sorry, not join. And then you can easily see two half open our molds, and you can cast out of it.